Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Cadillac XT5 battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. The battery in your Cadillac XT5 is conveniently located under the rear passenger seat, specifically on the driver's side. To access it, simply lift the carpet and remove the protective access panel. Once exposed, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the negative battery terminal first. This crucial step prevents accidental short circuits and ensures your safety during the disconnection process. After disconnecting the negative terminal, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal. Next, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. With both terminals and the clamp removed, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals. Now, carefully place your new battery into the cleaned battery tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight. Double-check all connections to prevent any issues. Finally, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly and that no warning lights appear. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.